So this is what flying feels like, Teddy! You enjoying it, mate?
I'd rather be in the sea, if I'm honest. And your claws are digging in my eyes a bit.
Come on, this is amazing! We've agreed we'll go swimming tomorrow, Teddy! Teddy? Tell!
Oh, where am I? This is so not good. Oh, I changed a tree. Brilliant. Oh, great best man, Toby, yeah. Thanks a million. Hang on. Oh, my paw's white. Oh, no, what happened there? Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, they bleached me all over. Oh, no. The wedding's tomorrow. I'm in so much trouble. Oh, and there's a tattoo on my bum. Tabitha, I am officially dead. Oh, Tobes. Oh, thanks a million, mate. Clarissa's going to go running berserk.
Teddy! Teddy, mate! Tell?
I can't hear anything. My gills have popped.
That'll be the altitude, Tell. Have that boiled sweet I gave you. Oh, I thought I'd killed him.
Available for download now on iNuts.
The dish, mainly consisting of melted cheese on bread, is known as Welsh
Rabbit.
Correct. The two most widely used types of bank card are credit and
Debit.
Correct. In literature, the character Bilbo Baggins belongs to which race?
Orbit.
Correct. Which Manchester United defender also plays for Serbia?
Vidic.
Correct. Which town in Worcestershire lies approximately 15 miles south of Birmingham?
Redditch.
Correct. The cartoon character Popeye?
Spinach.
Correct. Which city... I've started, so I'll...
Finish.